Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As we have started the periodic table and we have already discussed the groups in periodic table, now today we will discuss the period in periodic table. The horizontal rows in periodic table are called periods. From left to right, these are the horizontal rows which are called the periods. Now as we know that periodic table has been arranged into groups and period, the period number will tell us how many electronic shells are there in an atom. For example, hydrogen belongs to first period, so it will contain only one electronic shell. Lithium will containing two electronic shell because it belongs to second period. If we say that both magnesium and sodium have the same electronic shells, then it means that they belongs to same period. Now this is the brief summary of elements in each period. The first period consists of 2 elements, second and third period consist of 8 elements, fourth and fifth element consist of 18 elements, the sixth period consists of 32 elements, which is considered to be the longest period in periodic table. The seventh period, which is incomplete, consists of 24 elements. So 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 and 24, these are all the elements which are distributed in periods in periodic table. Now let me explain the elements in each period in periodic table. The first period consists of hydrogen and helium. The second period, lithium, beryllium belongs to S block, while the remaining from boron to neon, they belongs to P block. Same is the case for the third period element. In fourth and fifth period, there are 2 elements belongs to S block, 10 elements belongs to D block, and 6 element belongs to P block elements. So in fourth and fifth period, there are S block, D block, and P block element. In the sixth period, which consists of 32 elements, there are S block, P block, D block, and F block element. Now the first 2 elements, cesium to barium, belongs to S block, and then after barium, whose atomic number is 57, the next element whose atomic number is 57, that is lawrencium, and these element belongs to F block element. So the S block element, 2 elements belong to S block, 14 elements belongs to F block, the 10 elements belongs to D block, while 6 elements belongs to P block element. Similarly, the incomplete period, the seventh period, containing 2 elements, S block, 14 elements belongs to F block, while the remaining element belongs to D block element. As we know that in periodic table there are 2 types of element, the transition element, which occupy the middle of the periodic table as well as in the bottom, while the normal element are representative element, which are S block and P block. The first transition series started in fourth period from scandium to zinc. Similarly, the second transition series started from yttrium to cadmium, and similarly the third transition series, lutetium to mercury. It means that the transition element, the first 2 period do not have transition element. All elements included in this period are representative element, while in the rest period both normal element as well as transition elements are there. Now remember that as we move from left to right in periodic table, 1 electron is added in the atom. For example, the atomic number of lithium is 3, the next element beryllium, whose atomic number is 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, with the increase in atomic number, the nuclear charge also increases, and we will have to move from metal to non-metal. It means that the extreme left of the periodic table consists of metal, while the extreme right of the periodic table are consist of non-metal. If we divide the whole periodic table into metals and non-metals, so remember that 2/3 of the periodic table consists of metal, out of which some of them are normal metal, the transition metal, while only one part of the periodic table consists of non-metal. As we discussed it earlier, that in period, when we move from left to right, one electron is added in the valence shell. Similarly, the nuclear charge is also increases, so it affects various properties of element. For example, while moving from left to right, the the metallic character gradually decreases. So the lithium is more metallic, followed by beryllium, and as we move towards boron and onward, the non-metallic character gradually decreases, while the non-metallic character is increases. There are so many other properties which are related to the increase in atomic number, but we will have to discuss it in the next lectures, in the next chapters. So that's all. This is the periodic table, and inshallah we will discuss periodicity of properties in the next lecture. So goodbye and have a nice day.